In the last video, we created a business manager. Now, let's move on to creating the Facebook business page. It is the page from which we will broadcast our ad. This is the page where you can also share information about your brand, post various posts, share videos, and communicate with followers in the name of your business. So, what's the difference between a business page and personal profile? Let's take Mark Zuckerberg's profile, for example. It is just one of the 2 billion users on Facebook. This is his personal page, where he writes posts and shares his photos. And on the right, there is a business page of Coca-Cola Company. On this page, the company publishes interesting content related to the famous drink. And the company also shows ads via business page. Look at the example of advertising campaigns by well-known brands. They all show ads with their own name and through their business pages. That's what we need it for. But in order to create a business page from which you will run ads, you need a personal profile like Mark Zuckerberg's. Here is what it looks like. In the news feed on Facebook, users will come across an ad like this with your logo and your page name. They can click on it and get to your brand's business page. On this business page, users can see posts that are published in the name of the brand. So you need to fill out the page with information about your business and share useful content. I'll tell you how to do it in the next video. For now, all we need to do to run a test ad is to fill the brand's name and our brand profile photo, our logo. As I said before, we are going to create our ad of the imaginary Sunny Smile Dental Clinic. You don't have to design a logo to fill out the profile picture. Just take any picture related to this business on the internet. Since we have a dental business, I took a picture on this topic. You can use this picture or find a different one. Also, you can download this picture that I use under this video. Let's move on to creating a business page. To create it, we need to go to Business Manager settings. Let me remind you that Business Manager is a business.facebook.com/settings. In the Account section, select the Pages tab. Click Add and select Create a new page. Then we choose the category of our business. Let's select Brand or Product category. In the next window, enter the name of the page. Use the name of our dental clinic. Since I originally chose Sunny Smile, I entered that name. And you enter the name you came up with. The category we chose is Health Beauty. Now we have created our business page. It has displayed in our Business Manager in the Pages section. So, how can I find this page on Facebook now? To do this, go to your personal Facebook page at facebook.com. In the drop-down list on the left, click Pages. Also, at the very bottom of the page, in the section Your Shortcuts, you can find your page as well. This will be a list of the business pages you have created. You can create an unlimited number of them, if, for example, you have several businesses. Click on the name of our newly created page. And now the next step is to add a picture for our profile. Click Edit Profile Picture. Now click Upload Photo and upload our future profile picture. You can use the picture we prepared under this video or find any other similar picture on the internet. As you can see, our profile picture is uploaded, and now the page looks much more professional than it was before. Also pay attention that we created a business page and now it has a special URL address. Any user can use this address to find your business page. Let's now go to our Business Manager and check out our business page. When we click the link to our usual Business Manager, we see that the interface is much different from what it was before. This is because we are not looking at Business Manager but at Meta Business Suite. And now it is difficult to go back to the Business Manager we used previously. The thing is that Facebook is regularly updating the interface, and getting into a Business Manager is more and more difficult each time. Facebook is a large company and not all product updates is perfect, but we have to deal with it. So don't be scared if you come to a page like this. Everything we teach in this course is not here, but on Facebook Business Manager page. So, how do we find a business manager? Click on the Help button at the bottom left, and in the window that opens, click Switch to Business Manager. In the next window, click Switch, and then click Cancel. This action will not cancel the switching to Business Manager, but just save you from writing feedback about why you don't like Meta Business Suite. And now you're back in the Business Manager. Pay attention that this is the main page of Business Manager. To go to the Business Manager settings, click on the icon in the lower left corner. You can also get into the Business Manager settings through the link that we talked about earlier. And so, in this video, we created a Facebook business page with you. In the next video, we'll create an Instagram business account.